Okay, Max's hair is cut, and I'll put a link in the description to that video because I'm gonna post it separately. And we are starting to tear down. We got all the stuff off the deck. I'm gonna go up here and clean it off. I smacked my head so hard on that thing today.
I smacked my head.
Sure gonna miss this view.
Bring it in a little more.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna go ahead and give it a pre-hose down while you're up there?
Huh? Okay, you can stop right there.
If your dishwasher can't do this, you need to get you a new one. Where, you gonna go up there with Mom or something?
Yeah. Oh, I just. Coming back down.
Alright, so we have started our packing up a day early. We were going to be doing this tomorrow night, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we decided to start packing up. First things first, we put the back deck up. Second, we have started loading. We unloaded the deck box, brought it in, and started packing this back full. We'll lower the kids' bed down. They'll still have room to sleep here. So it's about 10 o'clock here. And I think we're going to try to get everything that we can in here tonight. We've got most of it.
Yep.
Yeah, we got most of it. And then at Norjo, you're gonna get hooked.
Oh,
you're gonna get hooked. And just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. This was not the plan. My mom just left. We did s'mores, some spaghetti. It was all delicious. And starting to get a little bit of pre-travel jitters. You getting your pre-travel jitters there, Take Thumb? With your cute little haircut. This is Mac's haircut. I'll put the link in the description to the video of the haircut we did today, but it looks pretty good if you ask me. Old boy's looking pretty slick. But anyways, yeah, you guys stay tuned. I don't know if I'll do any more filming tonight, but if not, we'll see you guys in the morning for our final day. Final full day here in Benton.
Just save it right there.
What is up, guys? Today is our final full day here in Benton, Tennessee. Just got back from the Cracker Barrel from eating with my sister and my niece, Amy and Abby and her. Somehow I've managed to talk Rachel into letting me go kayaking with some of the campground kids this evening. We've got most everything packed up last night. Most everything, 95.99.99% of everything packed up. Okay, 97% packed up outside. Inside, we've got a little bit of work to do, but either way, it's gonna be a couple-hour trip. We're gonna put in at Nancy Ward. We're actually gonna do some fishing. I'm only gonna take a couple hours just because I've got some errands to run this evening as well. But it should be fun to get a nice last trip in before down the Ocoee before we hit the road to South Dakota, which it's kind of unfortunate. I was really wanting to do a whitewater run on the Ocoee while I was here, but I didn't have the chance. So probably mostly my fault for not planning it out. So anyways, I'll be back. We'll be back for sure. I'll definitely be on the Ocoee. I have no doubt in my mind. But anyways, yeah, for today I'm gonna shoot some shots of our little trip that we're gonna take and any fish that we might catch, and should be a good little trip. So I think we're gonna load up for that now, and then as soon as Rachel gets here, me and Clark are gonna hit the road and like I said, do a little flat water fishing. Okay, getting loaded up. Here we go. The river is
Down here. Make sure you put your back.
up in the mountains there. There, you can see a picture. Somebody's gonna trip over there.
Grass, make a hole.
Oh, those are
Can you?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5.
Okay.
She make them attack me.
Grass, put them into the.
Is she over here? She come over here?
Scoop them. Make a hole.
Okay.
Should I go get her?
What's up, guys? So we finally got back from the river, which was a while ago, and I never got to end that video because I immediately left and had to go to town and run some errands. And then I got back and they were rescuing the baby birds, which you've seen a clip of that as well. So I just wanted to wrap those things up. But now I'm saying goodbye to my mom for 3 long months. We're not gonna get to see each other.
Sad Nana Tootie.
Yep, it's a sad day,
I'll
but
miss my Tennessee Littles.
we'll be back. We'll definitely be back before it's all said and done. For sure. We're all gonna have to get used to flying, I guess, if we keep this up much longer. But luckily tickets are cheap. So anyways, we're gonna wrap the day up today, and we will see you guys tomorrow, which we will be pulling out at about 10:30. So to start our trip to South Dakota.